Hello and welcome to this session of SAP S/4HANA Utilities. My name is Holger Schweinfurt. I'm out of the industry business unit Utilities, and I have the pleasure and privilege to guide you through a couple of innovations in the context of SAP S/4HANA Utilities. With that, let's just have a brief look about the various innovations, a selection of innovations that we have implemented over the course of years in SAP S/4HANA Utilities. And of course, next to the user experience addressed by the Fiori roles, we have the analytics topic, the machine learning, the customer engagement, smart search, and product simplification. With that small series of sessions, we would like to bring you the different topics a little bit closer, not through slides, but really system demos. And today is really the start where we would like to focus on the Fiori roles, addressing the user experience as already addressed. In order to do so, I've prepared a short system demo to show you how this new user experience within SAP S/4HANA Utilities looks like. In order to do so, let's have a look on this Fiori Launchpad with the different topics on analytics, utilities, billing and invoicing, and measurement data management. To focus on the billing and invoicing, we have different sections on insights, exceptions, and orders, as you can see, with various tiles. And I've selected the periodic billing and invoicing analysis. And as you can see, it's a complete different look and feel with the visualization of the various segments where you can select the contracts by certain criteria. You can adopt the filters according to your individual needs, but you also have the possibility, of course, to really get into the details, compare different years, and also import a specific information of the status for a certain billing document, where you can really drill down to the detailed level in here. Another example that I would like to bring to your attention is the topic of outstanding billing documents. And in here, just one example on the outstanding items. We just select the list view and select one specific item where you can already see a lot of consolidated information for this designated customer with information about the meter reading history, some general information that is being collected from various objects. And you can directly create and simulate the bills. Another example is, of course, the possibility to look on the contracts that are blocked for billing by reasons. And in here, just one example where we can directly release the contract after we have looked upon the details. With that short session, I hope I created some appetite on your side. And if you do have any request for further information, please have a look on all the innovations that we have done in the context of S/4HANA Utilities in our Roadmap Explorer. We have a lot of comprehensive details on the SAP Help portal for all the innovations. And last but not least, our S/4HANA Utilities trial, where you can explore by 4 guided tours the innovations of S/4HANA in Utilities. With that, I would like to close the session and thank you very much for listening and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.